If you just starting YouTube and you already feeling lost or discouraged, this video is for you. What you feeling right now is completely normal. And I know when you first start YouTube, you feel excited, you feel motivated, you feel like this actually could be your thing. Then you post your videos and the views is low. You start checking analytics, you start questioning yourself, you see other creators growing fast, then you start comparing yourself. But you forget they was once beginners too. Let's not forget that feeling of thinking the algorithm is against you. It's not. YouTube just don't know who to show your videos to yet. At the beginning, your videos is not for views. They're for learning. This is where you get better at talking, pacing, and also keeping attention. Then the small wins start happening. A comment, a message, someone saying your video helped them. This is the moment that matters. You either quit because the growth is slow, or you commit because you understand the process. If you feeling discouraged, you're not failing, you just early. So stay consistent, keep learning, and don't quit. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment and even subscribe. Also hit that notification bell if you didn't do so you could be notified when I drop a new video. Be sure to check out the previous video I did about feeling discouraged on YouTube. I think you will like it. But thank you for taking the time out to watch it. I go by the name of Stash Cash, and I'll see y'all again on the next video.